Welcome to Sketch Plastic Surgery. In today's video, we're sharing the story of Cassie, a 26-year-old from the US who traveled to Korea for a personalized transformation. She visited Sketch to undergo double eyelid surgery, under-eye fat grafting, and rhinoplasty. Let's take a closer look at her journey. During her consultation, Cassie shared her concerns about the asymmetry in her eyelids, caused by mild ptosis, the presence of under-eye bags and dark circles, and a noticeable hump on her nose. After a thorough discussion with our specialists, she decided on a customized combination of procedures to address these issues and achieve a more balanced, refreshed appearance. Our clinic staff took every step to ensure Cassie's comfort and safety throughout the entire process. Before the surgery began, a local anesthetic was carefully applied to minimize any pain or discomfort. Throughout the procedure, our medical team continuously monitored her heart rate and vital signs to ensure she remained stable, comfortable, and relaxed. To uphold the highest standards of hygiene and patient care, all surgical areas were thoroughly disinfected in advance. This creates a completely sterile environment, significantly reducing the risk of infection and ensuring a smooth and safe surgical experience. Before making any incisions, our doctor meticulously marked the treatment areas, ensuring each procedure would be performed with the highest level of accuracy and precision. 7 days after surgery. After the surgery, Cassie was asked to return for a couple of follow-up checkups and aftercare sessions. The aftercare process begins with our clinic staff gently removing the stitches and thoroughly disinfecting the surgical areas. This essential step helps prevent infection and ensures the healing process starts off smoothly. Because the skin is especially sensitive after surgery, maintaining a clean and sterile environment is vital to protect against bacteria and minimize the risk of complications. Following this, the patient undergoes LED light therapy, a gentle, non-invasive treatment designed to accelerate healing. Using low-level red or near-infrared light, this therapy supports cell regeneration, enhances blood flow, and helps reduce swelling and bruising. The doctor checked for any remaining swelling and advised her to continue being careful to ensure a smooth recovery. Before we continue, check out sketchplasticsurgery.com for more information after watching this video.
Hi, my name is Cassie. I'm 26 from the US and I came to Sketch to get a double eyelid surgery, under eye fat grafting, and rhinoplasty. The reason why I did this was because I had a bit of ptosis in my eyelids and they were a bit uneven and there was multiple creases, and so I wanted to get that fixed and get my eyelids evened out. And then I also had some slight under eye bags and some dark circles, and I wanted to get that corrected. And then I had a hump in my nose and I wanted that to get straightened out.
How was your experience here at Sketch Plastic Surgery?
After the consultation, I talked to the doctor. He walked me through exactly what he was going to be doing and explained where everything was going to go, which was really good and reassuring because I was very nervous coming into this. During the procedure, I was basically asleep the entire time, so it didn't really feel anything. I was a bit drowsy afterwards, and then after the procedure for about 3 or 4 days, there was a lot of swelling and I was very tired and was sleeping a lot. But then after that, on the 5th day, I had a bit more energy. I was able to open up my eyes a bit more and able to just go out and shop and kind of proceed pretty normal.
Now that your stitches have been removed, how do you feel?
Yeah, so I was very nervous coming into stitch removal day, but excited because I was getting some stitches going into my eyes a little bit as it was loosening up. But after coming in today, it was a little bit uncomfortable, but everyone was very kind and reassuring, and I was able to take breaks whenever things got to be a little bit too much. But yes, everything feels a lot better now. I feel like there's less pressure on my face. It's been about 7 days since my surgery, and I was nervous to see what I would look like after taking the bandages off, but I actually feel even though there's a lot of swelling still, I don't look too different from what I expected. And I asked for a very kind of natural look afterwards, and I still can see me in my face, so that's very good. So I'm very satisfied with that. I can see from my side profile also that my nose hump is gone, and I'm excited to see what that will look like once the swelling goes down. And I think Dr. Lee did a good job of just explaining everything and kind of like listening to what I wanted with like my face, and so that was really nice to hear. And everyone throughout the entire process has been like very patient with all the questions that I've had, and I didn't really feel rushed through anything. And it was great to have Soul Guide Medical like walk me through all of this. I don't know what I would have done without them, because it was just really nice to have someone like on hand to answer questions whenever I needed any help, and just to have the reassurance of like being able to like have the translation for the doctors and everyone here.